Here are 5 things you absolutely need to know before buying Arc Raiders. Number 1, it's a PvP game. I know, crazy, right? Wild concept. You load in and there are players with guns shooting you. If you don't want to be shot at, then don't buy it. Number 2, it's a PvP game. If the P in PvP is confusing, it means player, not pillow, not peace, not please don't shoot me, not put your gun away. It means player versus player, which means you will be fighting other players. Could you imagine? Who would have thought that's what PvP meant? Number 3, hold on to your seat. It's a PvP game. If you had dreams of running around unbothered like the main character in a single-player RPG, or having your handheld while you complete simplistic missions and tasks with no real threat, forget it. Maybe try Minecraft. Number 4, you won't believe this, but it's a PvP game. If seeing another player stresses you out, then maybe you should return the game and try a coloring book. Can you guess what number 5 is? If you haven't guessed it, you may have to see a doctor because you may have bigger problems. Number 5, the grand finale. You guessed it. It's a PvP game. If you buy Arc Raiders expecting a PvE knitting simulator, that's on you. That's like buying a hot sauce bottle and being mad that it's spicy. It literally says it on the label. So if you're scared of other players, terrified of competition, or allergic to getting clapped, then hey, maybe try a non-PvP game. Hope this helps, just being honest.